Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn Arabic Levantine dialect. In this lesson, we're gonna learn a few different ways to respond to the question, how are you? Someone might come up to you and say, مرحبا, كيف حالك? Or مرحبا, كيف حالك? It's a very common conversation starter, and today you're gonna learn how to answer it to keep that conversation flowing. Good luck! A basic way to answer would be تمام وإنتي if you're speaking to a female, or تمام وإنت if you're speaking to a male. It means fine, and you. تمام وإنتي, تمام وإنت. أنا منيحة if you're a female speaking, or أنا منيح if you're a male speaking. This means I'm good. أنا منيحة. أنا منيح. أنا كويسة if you're a female speaking, or أنا كويس if you're a male speaking. This is another way to say I'm good. أنا كويسة. أنا كويس. You could also drop the أنا. Just say كويسة or كويس. It essentially means I'm good. الحمد لله. الحمد لله. This means thank God, but it signifies that I'm good, thank God. الحمد لله. نشكر الله. This one also means thank God. نشكر الله. We Arabs like to thank God in very different ways. So you can say نشكر الله. ماشي الحال. It's going okay. ماشي الحال. ماشي الحال. نص نص. This one means not too good, but not too bad. It's literal for half and half. Not the cream and milk, but the not too good, but not too bad. نص نص. أنا مش مبسوطة. أنا مش مبسوط. You could also say it without the أنا. مش مبسوطة. Or مش مبسوط. It means I'm not feeling well. مش مبسوطة. مش مبسوط. أنا تعبانة if you're a female speaking, or أنا تعبان if you're a male speaking. This one means I'm tired. أنا تعبانة, or أنا تعبان. مش منيحة if you're a female, or مش منيح if you're a male. This one also means I'm not well. You could add أنا, or you could leave it out. أنا مش منيحة, or أنا مش منيح. The last one is a bit of a funny one. داحلين. This one literally means we're rolling. We use it to say something like I'm just getting by. داحلين. You could also use a combination of these words. Like for example, أنا تمام نشكر الله. I'm good, thank God. أنا تمام نشكر الله. تمام منيحة, or تمام منيح. It just means I'm good. كويسة الحمد لله, or كويس الحمد لله. It also means I'm good, thank God. مش منيحة, أنا تعبانة شوي. Or مش منيح, أنا تعبان شوي. This one means I'm not well. I feel a bit tired. مش منيحة. تعبانة شوي. مش منيح. تعبان شوي. That's it for our lesson today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to show your support by hitting that subscribe button and to be the first to know when a new video comes up. Until next time, مع السلامة.